Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build WildFly 26.1.3 application server from source code in Windows 10 operating system using Apache Maven 3.8.7 and Java 11. So here you can see that I already downloaded WildFly 26.1.3 application server source code from WildFly website. So I have provided the download link in the description of this video. So I'm going to extract this source code zip file. So extraction completed. Let me go inside the source code directory. So this is a directory structure of WildFly 26.1.3 source code zip file. It contains multiple modules and you can see one parent pom.xml. So this is the parent pom.xml, contains multiple modules, WildFly source code modules. So this pom.xml is a basic building block of Maven. So before we proceed to the building the project, this is my Maven installation. I already installed the Maven. Let me go to the conf settings.xml. So my settings.xml is pointing to local Maven repository. So all the jar files or artifacts downloaded will be saved into this Maven local repository. So this is my Maven local repository. So all the jar files and artifacts will be stored here. So make sure that you have internet connection so that all the jar files and artifacts will be downloaded during the build process. Okay, and also I added the Maven bin directory and Java 11 bin directory in Windows path variable. Okay, so that Java and Maven commands will be available in the command prompt. So these are my settings before building my project. Okay, now let us start to build WildFly 26.1.3. Okay, I am copying the path. Let me open the command prompt. Okay, so I am inside the source code directory now. This is the command men clean install. So this will build the each modules and all the artifacts will be installed to the local Maven repository. So build is successful. You can see it had taken around 31 minutes. Okay. So make sure that you have fastest internet connection so that your jar files and artifacts will be downloaded very fast. So all modules are successful. Okay, now let me come to the source code directory. So this is the directory. You can see the WildFly 27 distribution. See here, target directory. So you can see WildFly 26.1.3 final. So you can see this is the binary built after building the WildFly 26 source code. So you can see the bin directory contains lot of executable files, domain directory. So you can see configuration files for WildFly. Everything is built. So you can navigate this directory after building WildFly 26 application server. So you can copy this entire directory separately and you can start the WildFly 26 application server. So we have successfully built WildFly 26.1.3